come to this YouTube channel and learn how to do this shit. I promise you won't spend any money, but you'll be better than you ever thought you could as a trader. Stop buying people's courses. It's done. I'm walking away in November 2023. I'm closing the chapter on Inner Circle Trader. I want to be Michael Joe Huddleston. And because I got the feedback from people that they were enjoying the things I was putting out and the understanding they were gaining, the confidence they were getting, I fell in love with the idea of helping more people. I'm confident when I'm done with you all, come November, you will have had the best learning experience from me as a mentor, the best I can do. And I don't claim to be the best mentor. I'm not. If I did signals, if I said, I'm buying here, I'm selling here, the only thing that's going to do is grow a dependency in me. And I don't want any of my students to be dependent on me. I want them to be independently minded. So they go out and they do their own thing and they're confident. They say, ICT, it's been great. I learned from you, but I don't need you anymore, babe. I'm gone. Watch me fly. And I want to watch you fly. I want to see that. But you have to put some work in, and you got to let the information be presented in the manner that I'm presenting, because I don't know how to do it any better. I don't know how to do it better than I'm doing. But I know it's working for a lot of people. And all you have to do is keep showing up, keep studying, and fall in love with this part of it. My target is to transform the lives and the minds and the thought processes of all of you as students, to not just simply listen to me as a mentor about markets, but how to live your life better, because I did not do the right things. And I want you to know that I did not do the right things, so that way you don't make those same mistakes in the process of finding your success and living in your success, because you can succeed into failure. I did. Lots of money, the ability to live however you want to live and buy stuff, and you have a deficit in the emotional category for fatherhood and husbandry. It's not all about the money, folks. Right now it does feel like that, but there has to be a purpose for all of it, and how you live your life and what you do with it that's impactful not only to yourself but the people that you're helping. All of it is available to you. Every single one of you that are listening to me right now, whether it's recorded and you watched it later on down the road or right here live, you can do this. You absolutely can do it. I'm telling you, you can do this. If I didn't believe it, I wouldn't tell you it. And you're now seeing other people around the world doing extremely well. And I'm so proud. I'm proud to be a small conduit to the bridge where they were and their newfound success. And I'm excited to see where they're going to go. I'm excited to see where you're going to go. But if you're not passionate about this, if you don't absolutely, listen, I'm not selling you a timeshare, folks. Okay? There's no upsell later on. You're never going to send me any money. And I have more faith in you succeeding than you probably do in yourself. Eat from my table for free. I have plenty. You're not going to starve me. I can do this stuff on my own. And I want to see what you all do with it. And I don't mean, I bought a Lamborghini. That's not what I'm looking for. I want to see what you do with this in terms of helping other people. How are you impacting other people? And I don't mean by teaching people. I'm talking about how you impacted their lives. What did you do for them? Did you buy them a house? Did you pay off their student debt for them? Did you help them out when they needed a car and they just can't afford to get one? Do you support families financially that are destitute and you're not trying to get a reward for it? I promise I will never, ever, ever share that publicly. I will never say, this person told me this, that, because that's your reward then. But I'm asking you. I know I've put people on the rich end. My only request is you credit me. I want you to give me the opportunity to give God the glory for it. When I do depart in November, I have all of your best interests in mind, and I'm all rooting for you. I'm always rooting for you. constantly in prayer that you all receive what it is I'm trying to convey. And sometimes when I've listened to recordings or whatnot, I wish I could go back in time and add something else. Okay. It would have been much more helpful if I would have said this or that. So, like I said, I'm not the best mentor. And if I don't do it for you come November, don't give up. Don't give up. Keep working towards it. Because if you see just a little bit of evidence that you can do it once in a while, that's okay. Because long-term consistently profitable has a period of hit and miss, break even. If you can get to that point where you're break even, where you make a little bit but then you lose it but you don't blow out, that's progress. That's progress. And you'd be surprised how many people come to me in that stage. They've done all this stuff, they make a little bit of money, then they lose it, and they don't blow their account, but they just can't find profitability. You are the best student in my hands. You are the best one. Don't sell yourself short. You're going to have to love doing this. If you're miserable, if you hate trading, this ain't for you. It ain't for you. But if you know that you're going to lose once in a while, but it's okay, nothing changes anything, this means that you got to fix that to go to a new equity high. It's fine. That's the right mindset. And you're not in a hurry to get there. Regardless of how old or young you are, just relax. Let it happen. It took me 6 years to find myself. Many of you probably already have what it is you're going to be trading with, but you're wrestling with it because every time I bring out something new, you want that to be the thing. Oh, wow, that's new. Let me try that. If you already got something you're seeing results with, stay with that. Stay with that. Find some consistency with that. And then once you've done it for a few months, if you want to supplement your understanding, delve into supplementary studies with other things that you are interested in. But you only need one thing. One thing. And you can make all the money you'd ever want. So don't think that that's a reason for you to feel like, I'm failing as I'm doing this because I can't be profitable. I'm not going to waste any more time with this stuff. Come into these lectures and do the things I'm telling you to do. And just sit back and watch the transformation. It'll happen. It will happen. But in my absence, I want to be able to look in on all of you and see what you're doing and hear from you. Send me an email. I'm going to keep innercircletrader@gmail.com always. And if you have a testimony you want to share with me, that's great. Do that. Let me know what you're doing. I'm always interested in that. Don't give up. Don't give up. Keep working towards it. Come into these lectures and do the things I'm telling you to do. And just sit back and watch the transformation. It'll happen. It will happen. I have all of your best interests in mind, and I'm all rooting for you. Until I talk to you next time. Be safe.